This is Tuck with Tuck GC. I'm out in Annandale, Virginia. We just finished a large-scale pour on a CG-9D apron. This is kind of a little teaser video I'm putting up just to show you what it looks like before we finish up the pavers and the walkway over there. I'm putting up a little video so my clients can see what it's going to look like before we put those finishing touches. Now this is the largest CG-9D you can put in, 24 feet wide at the back with a 10-foot radius to the property line. And that's what it looks like. Let's go around to the side, take a closer look. The concrete finish on that apron looks spectacular. Like I always talk about, we have the pedestrian access route here with less than a 2% slope, minimum of 4 feet wide in case VDOT or the county ever comes in and puts in a walkway here. A couple little details to notice: whenever you have one of these curved streets, you want to make sure that your gutter pan and then your flow line follows that same curve, and then also the pedestrian access route follows that same curve. I'm going to briefly touch on what we're doing back here. We're putting in a paver that's basically 6 by 13 size, so with joints and everything we got about 26 inches to fit 4 pavers wide here. The 4 paver wide border is going to carry the entire way around. I just posted up a video the other day showing how we prep this ACO drain. Now that it's poured, you see the final product, but this has a large 12-inch footing underneath it. Big footing in this corner, a lot of buildup. We keep that same consistent edge. We're going to come through little tiny details and saw cut off that concrete there so it's a nice straight edge for the client. Again, 4-piece border wide here. That will carry the whole way around. And then on this walkway, we're just going to carry 2 pieces. So we're going to step it down to half the size with a border around this. And then in the middle, we're going to have this beautiful tundra gray marble. I can't wait to put it in. I think they did a great job on the stone selection. And then all these radiuses and everything, we kind of rough pour it with the concrete, but all this will be cleaned up when we put the final stone and the borders in. ACO drain, daylight's over there. One more feature that we did on this project, they had some grading issues here in the corner, so we were able to kind of lower this a little bit, raise the dirt up. We put some compacted clay in, made sure we had plenty of slope away from the house. Underground here, there's a French drain, 57 gravel pipe, everything. There's a footer that goes down on the walkway here to encase that water, keep it in the drain and flow out. All that flows around. We tied in that gutter that comes this way. We tied in another gutter here. And then all 3 pop-ups for the drain and the 2 gutters come into a nice little river rock garden that we put in here, all professionally done. You see, even though it's only been a day, this concrete is curing quite nicely. You're going to notice once it all cures, it's all going to have that nice gray color. May take a week or so to blend all in. And then obviously that was just poured today, so tomorrow this will look like this. And about, a week or 2, everything will have that really consistent color when we're done and we do the borders. So check back in another week or so. We'll have this job completed and you'll see exactly what these finishing touches do to dress this project up. As always, thanks for watching, and I look forward to giving you a quote on your project as well. Take care.